Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing a power hour. I am showing you what my kitchen looks like, and it is also 11:56 in the morning, going into the afternoon. My list for this power hour is make the beds, tidy and vacuum bedrooms, tidy the kitchen, pretty much clean the entire kitchen, including my garbage can, because I dropped coffee on it. That's right, you heard that right. I dropped coffee on it. Sweep and mop the kitchen, dust the TV stand, and if time permits, fold a basket of laundry. So, the night before that I filmed this, I stayed up all night watching The Office and didn't do any of my nighttime cleaning. Whoops. And the morning after, so I stayed up all night watching The Office, and then the morning after, Evelyn actually woke up at 4:30. She has dealing with a little bit of congestion right now, and she was all stuffed up, and she couldn't breathe, so I got only a few hours of sleep, so I didn't do any cleaning. I didn't do my nighttime cleaning routine. I didn't do my morning cleaning routine. So I pretty much just needed to get all of that done. So I figured why not just do a power hour and get what I needed to get done. So that's what this video is. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like it, and please consider subscribing if you have not already. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. I'm going to let some music play, and then I will pop on back at the end of this video and tell you what I got done.
could hold my head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore, 'cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you. Over you, over you. Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's send. With me tonight, I run away. I run away.
Okay guys, so I am going to stop my cleaning. You saw that pretty much the entire hour was gone. The only thing I didn't get to is I did not get to the TV stand, and I decided to fold laundry instead. Evelyn was being such a good girl and just kind of letting me put my head down and get this cleaning done. So she was in the living room watching Paw Patrol, and I didn't want to bother her. So yeah. So I got everything done except the TV stand. I am 100% totally happy with that. So, yeah, so I'm going to let the video play, and I hope you enjoyed this power hour. I hope it motivates you. I love you forever, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.